Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Rachit Vikas Matre, live here on demand for the vitamin C gel formulation. So, those who are live, you will be able to see the demonstration for vitamin C gel. Good evening, Gayatri ma'am. I'm well. How are you? So, as we are having the vitamin C session, good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Achit Vikas Matre from Navi Mumbai, working as a cosmetologist, aesthetician, and trichologist at Ulhasnagar at Vedarogyam Wellness Clinic. Director of Vedarogyam Wellness Institute, where we launch various types of courses, diploma courses, and cosmetic courses also. Waiting for a few minutes so everyone can get live. Waiting for few members to get live. So this is a random formulation sharing. So we are live here for the vitamin C gel. Many members asked for the vitamin C gel. So we are doing it today, a free demonstration for vitamin C gel. We are having diploma courses in clinical cosmetology, medical trichology, advanced aesthetics, clinical panchakarma, aromatherapy, and many more. Hello everyone. So let's start for the formulation. So as nowadays vitamin C is very much running and the summer season has been coming, so you can use vitamin C as an anti-tan for your body, for your skin, for your face. So many members asked for the summer seasons, no one goes for the creams. Many members or many customers ask for the gels for the summer season as it hydrates your skin. If you go for the creams, that will leave a greasiness on your skin, so we will go for a vitamin C based gel. So we will be using acrylate, that is C1030 alkyl acrylate, for forming a gel, that is a copolymer. You can use carbopols also from various brands. You have to use 1% of copolymer. So we'll be using C1030 alkyl acrylate 1%. We will be using 93% of DM water, that is demineralized water, and triethanol amine for the neutralizing of the product. So vitamin C is available in various forms like magnesium ascorbyl palmitate, sodium ascorbyl palmitate, then the commonly used, that is ascorbic acid, ascorbyl glucoside, various forms. So we can formulate with their various forms. We are going to use the most potent and most stable form, that is ascorbyl glucoside today. So let's go for the demonstration of vitamin C and lemon gel. So this is our platform where we are going to perform the demonstration. We have to take the isopropyl alcohol and we have to spray it to sterilize our platform. All the equipment should be pre-sterilized with the isopropyl alcohol. It kills the microorganisms and gives sterilization. We have to use borosilicate glass jars, stirrers, strainers, etc. So as we are using acrylate, that is C1030 alkyl acrylate, which is in the powder form, we have to take 1%. So for preparing 100 gram of gel, you will need 1 gram of sodium acrylate C1030 alkyl acrylate. So you have to take 1%. This is the C1030 alkyl acrylate, that is the copolymer. You can use various copolymers. You can use carbopol or carbomer also. So we have to add 93% of DM water into it, that is demineralized water, for hydrating. So I have pre-hydrated a solution. Here we have taken 93% of DM water, that is 93 grams of DM water, and we have added 1% of C1030 alkyl acrylate. You can use any carbopol or carbomer also. And now it's soaked for 15 to 20 minutes. It has much hydrated. We'll mix this. There is some foam formation, so we'll spray the alcohol to vanish this foam. Now we are going to use ascorbyl glucoside as an ingredient form of vitamin C. So this is the ascorbyl glucoside. We are going to use 2% of ascorbyl glucoside. We'll add into it. Now various members asked, when we add vitamin C's, that is ascorbic acid, etc., in the gel loses its consistency. So that is a bit chemistry. So you have to use the ascorbyl glucoside, which is much stable form of vitamin C. So first we have taken 93% of DM water, that is 93 grams, 1% of carbomer, or you can take any acrylate. I have been taken C1030 alkyl acrylate. We have to hydrate it for 15-20 minutes, and then we have added 2% of ascorbyl glucoside into it. Now we will add 3% of lemon extract into it, that is water soluble extract. So this is lemon water soluble extract, 3%. Once done, now we will be using triethanol amine drop by drop to form the gel. So this is the texture of the gel is formed. We'll blend it well. We will add some lemon fragrance, water soluble, 0.5% you can add. If required, you can add lemon yellow color also. So I add 1 drop of water soluble lemon yellow color. So this is our, you can see we have formed the gel of vitamin C. So many members ask how to form the vitamin C gel. So this is the proper way of preparing a vitamin C gel. You have to use the most stable form of vitamin C, that is ascorbyl glucoside. You can feel the gel. Don't use ascorbic acid. So this is the product for upcoming season, vitamin C and lemon gel. As everyone wants the results of vitamin C, but though no one wants to use the cream in the summer season, you will have to add any preservative 0.5 percentage into it. You can use Iscagate or any another preservatives also. So this was a short session, a free session for everyone, as many members asked for this session. This session was taken on demand. Yes, hello Pratap sir, hello Harsh ma'am, hello Anushka ma'am. Ascorbic acid won't work ma'am here, so you have to take the ascorbyl glucoside, that is the most stable form of vitamin C, and that won't be required any else as a antioxidant or something. So you can use this ascorbyl glucoside, which works very well from 1 percentage maximum 2.5 to 3 percentage you can use. So many more products with such formulations for vitamin C for upcoming season with vitamin C and lemon are coming for tomorrow's workshop. So those who want to enroll for tomorrow's workshop, they can directly contact me. We are going to help vitamin C serum, vitamin C face wash, vitamin C shower gel, vitamin C scrub, vitamin C serums, etc., and many more products. So these products can be launched in your upcoming season. Hello Rita ma'am. So I hope so everyone is clear. This video will be saved. So if any doubts, any comments, you can post in the video. You can post in the comment box. I hope so. I have completed your all demand that you needed a vitamin C gel, how to prepare it, a stable vitamin C gel, because everyone has a problem while preparing the vitamin C gel, because vitamin C gel is not easy to prepare when you are going with the ascorbic acid and etc., because gel is prepared at that time when your product gets neutralized at the pH, when the pH of the product gets neutralized. So for that you need to balance the pH, and you do not need to use any acids in your product. So that way this way you can prepare your vitamin C gel for the upcoming summer season. We also take diploma in cosmetic formulation, so if anyone is interested can contact us directly. Any doubts? Okay, living. Thank you and stay safe, take care.